Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You should begin by confirming Excel version and enabling editing. This avoids surprises with features. Open the source workbook and a fresh working sheet, keeping originals read-only. Next, identify the goal, what output you need, and which formulas or functions will produce it. Once done, select a small sample of rows to iterate on quickly. You'll test formulas on sample data first to validate logic before scaling. Make sure to name ranges or tables early to reduce reference errors. You now build the core mechanics. Convert ranges to tables for stable references and add named ranges for clarity. Start with straightforward formulas and layer complexity. For lookups, choose XLOOKUP or index/match depending on compatibility. Once done, add helper columns to break complex logic into testable steps, and use array formulas or dynamic arrays where appropriate. If data needs reshaping, use Power Query to transform and load clean tables. Make sure to document key formulas in a header or comments for future edits. You finish by validating outputs. Run spot checks, compare totals with source, and test edge cases like blank or duplicate values. Once confident, convert formulas to values where needed, protect sheets and lock key cells, and save a version backup. If performance lags, reduce volatile functions or switch to Power Query. If errors appear, trace precedents, check ranges and array sizes, and confirm named ranges point to the intended table. This single troubleshooting approach resolves most #ref and hash value issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.